Snow. Be careful, fellow Kentuckianas, while going home, going up from your work. Be careful, you drive. See? Snow again. Take precaution while driving. Always keep distance. Don't drive too fast. God bless all Kentuckianas, and be careful. We're going back home. It's snow time again. Snow again until evening. We continue until there, from New York, Maine, Philadelphia, New Jersey, and then New England. Oh, that's it. Snow time. Snow.